In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple form on Squarespace that offers visitors an instant download. Let's dive straight in and walk through these steps together, ensuring you have everything you need to implement this on your own website. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, let's navigate over to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Pages. You're going to want to click on that, as this is where you can manage all the pages associated with your site. When you're in the Pages section, you'll notice an option to Add Blank Page. Click on that to create a fresh new page where we'll eventually add our form. Think of this as your blank canvas ready to be customized to meet your needs. Once you've successfully created the page, don't worry about design just yet. We're going to focus on setting up that all-important form. Now, look for the option to edit the page, which will let you add different content blocks, and search for something called the form block. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to create interactive forms people can fill out. Go ahead and click to add this block to your page. With the form block inserted, it's time to customize it to gather the specific information you'll need from users. Usually essential details like their name and email address. These fields should be clear and straightforward, ensuring visitors know exactly what information they're providing. Take a moment to drag and drop these fields onto your form. Now it's time to set up how this collected information will be stored. To do this, click on the form settings. Here, you'll find the storage options. You can choose to connect the form to your email, or if you're using a service like MailChimp and want to streamline your email marketing, you can link the form directly to it. This way, new entries will automatically be organized and stored in your chosen database, allowing easy access and management. For those who want to offer an instant download to their visitors right after they submit their details, we need to add a post-submit message. In the form settings, find the area where you can write a message that users will see immediately after they submit the form. Pop in your download link here so it's readily available for users to access, ensuring they get what they're looking for right away. Now that your form's functionality is in place, comes the fun part, styling the page. You can experiment with fonts, colors, and images to suit your brand and enhance user experience. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, make sure to save your work. Finally, publish the page so that it becomes live on your website and accessible to your visitors. And there you have it. We've swiftly set up an interactive form on Squarespace, ready to engage visitors and provide instant value with downloads. Follow these steps and you'll be all set to offer a seamless user experience on your site.